Joey King is playing a pregnant teen on Life in Pieces. My baby is gonna have a baby bump. I'm not ready for this. I remember interviewing Joey King when she was like, I don't know, a fetus. I love her so much, and they grow up so fast. She's currently starring in the film Slender Man, and you can watch her right now on Netflix's The Kissing Booth. Her sister is also uber talented and is presently a series regular on CBS's Life in Pieces. Well, both sisters will now get to bond together on the same set because Joey was just cast in a recurring role as a pregnant teen on the show. Joey will be playing Morgan, a pregnant 17-year-old who plans to place her baby with adoptive parents Matt, aka Thomas Sadoski, and Colleen, aka Angelique Cabral. And that is according to TV Line. But don't worry, it's a comedy and you should definitely watch it. Joey King also got to celebrate another big milestone with her sister Hunter over the weekend. This time, her sister Hunter's engagement. Longtime boyfriend Nico Svoboda proposed to her on Saturday, August 18th, and the couple arrived home to a surprise party with all of their friends and family. Joey captioned the celebration with a slideshow of amazing pics. Quote, "What an amazing night. My insanely amazing, perfect, fantastic sister best friend Hunter King got engaged to one of the absolute greatest guys in the world, Nico. I love you both so much. Here's a recap of the greatest surprise party ever, including me falling asleep in an engagement ring balloon at the end." Of course. These two are living their best life. Also, it's so nice to see sisters who actually like each other instead of like, I don't know, putting Nair in each other's shampoo bottles. Well done to the parents. Anyway, what do you guys think of these two sisters starring in the same show together? And Joey King having a pregnant belly on television? Oh my gosh. Comment below. Follow me on IG at Miriam_Issa, then on Twitter at Miriam Issa. Then click here for more videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Miriam Issa, and see you guys soon.